Let's see. Okay, no. Okay, wait. Okay, we got one, which is easy. We're gonna be a chicken. It's gonna be better than... Okay, give me a second. Here. I am so lucky. Alright, I know he said it could be any spin, really much. I don't think you can shop, baby. Sorry. There you go. Thank you. I can take that. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I am never, and I mean never being a cat. Don't even get me started. We're skimming the gas, but we'll be, if there's a bigger mob, we'll do it, okay? And no, we're not taking that. There is one in there. Alright, so I think we have 40. No, we don't. Okay. So we just have to be really careful in the caves, which I can handle. I set the timer, right? No, I didn't say it. Okay, give me a second. Okay, now we go. Okay, now we can get back.